If you're studying for the property and casualty state exam, this one's for you. Today's video is all about mandatory limits on an auto policy. Some states have a split limit, some states have a single limit, some states have both. You're definitely going to need to know what your state-specific limits are and what those split limits represent. In today's video, I'm going to break down what a split liability limit is. First thing to note is that those are your state minimums, meaning you cannot have anything less than that coverage. Also, this is liability coverage, meaning if you're in an accident, this is how much is going to cover other people and the other person's vehicle that is involved in the accident. Let's take Texas, for example. The split liability limit in Texas is 30, 60, 25. What that means is that you have $30,000 of bodily injury per person, $60,000 of bodily injury per accident, and $25,000 of property damage. So if you're in an accident, the total that your policy will pay out is $60,000. And it's not going to exceed $30,000 for each person. So for example, if you're in an accident and there's two other people in the other car, the max your policy is going to pay is $30,000 for each person, not to exceed $60,000. Let's say there's three other people in the car. Your policy would pay $20,000 each, not to exceed $60,000. And that $25,000, that is the property damage, meaning that's the most your policy is going to pay out towards damages to their car, not your car, their car, right? Liability is always going to pay the third party. It's not a first party benefit. I hope that helps. As always, if you need any additional resources, there's plenty of extra study resources out on our website, practice exams, study guides, and a full exam prep booster. You can get that on our website. I'll put the link below.